And finally, just using a nylon string guitar today, my son's guitar. I'll be more in keeping with what most learners are going to be playing, what most primary school kid learners are going to be playing on. All right. What we're going to do on this final video on Songbirds, we're going to add in an upstroke. All right. So this is when you're really comfortable with these two chords. You're adding a little bit of rhythm. So the rhythm is going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, 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 up, down. Okay. Let's try that with our chords. Talking to the songbird yesterday, flew me to a place not far away. She's a little pilot in my mind.